People say diamonds are expensive because they're rare, but here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Anything that's always available slowly loses its value. And if you're being ignored, it's usually not because you're boring, it's because you're too predictable. Today, I'm going to show you a concept called triangulation, how to increase attraction without cheating, without lying, without trying too hard. One warning though, method number 3 is powerful. Use it carefully. Method 1, the phantom competitor. Never present yourself as lonely or waiting around. When you tell a story, casually mention a woman's name and keep moving. Don't say, I went to a cafe. Say, I was at a cafe with Sarah and she said something funny. That's it. You don't explain who Sarah is. You don't add details. Her imagination fills in the gaps. Competition sparks curiosity, and curiosity fuels attraction. Method 2, the hidden screen. When you're with her, your phone becomes a signal. If a notification comes in, glance at it, give a small smile, and place the phone face down. Don't explain it, don't apologize. Her mind immediately starts racing. Who texted him? Why did that make him smile? Why isn't he telling me? Silence creates more tension than words ever could. Method 3, the walk away. This is the nuclear option. If you're at a party or social event, don't stay glued to her side. After a few minutes, politely excuse yourself. Go talk to other people. Let her see other women laughing at your jokes. You're not chasing, you're just social. When she sees you're wanted, something shifts. It's not anger, it's competition. The fear isn't losing you, it's realizing she doesn't control your attention. Remember this, attraction grows when access is earned, not handed out. You don't chase, you don't over-explain, you don't cling, you become the prize.